Nobody.
It's just that.
Oh my gosh, wow.
This is lovely, isn't it?
Wow, this is spectacular. Hi.
Hi.
Why don't you tell us where we are?
It's not fair. Okay, so we're in Bali.
Very good, very good. Excellent
Monday's
stuff.
giving us a little bit of a tour.
There's Monday. Hi, Monday. This is what we're looking at the
And
moment.
we're just going to look at rice fields and natural things.
Belimbing. How do you say it? Belimbing?
Belimbing.
Belimbing.
Yes.
Belimbing. Belimbing.
Rice
See?
field.
Belimbing rice fields. Look at those terraces. Don't they look amazing? Just spectacular.
Darling,
Yes.
if you like this video, what do you do?
Well, you can give us a thumbs up and you can always hit that subscribe button so you know what's happening as soon as he makes it.
Could be a long time.